Hello and welcome to this in-depth book summary of The Lean Startup by entrepreneur Eric Ries. Published in 2011, this #1 New York Times bestseller transformed the world of entrepreneurship by providing an innovative methodology for quickly and sustainably launching new startups and products that customers actually want and will pay for. Over the next minutes, I'll be thoroughly summarizing Ries' key concepts, tactics, and lean startup principles so you can apply his modern framework to cost-effectively build, rigorously measure, and rapidly grow your business by creating remarkable value for customers using agile product development and continuous learning cycles. Let's dive deep into the lean startup. Part 1: The Power of Validated Learning for Startup Success. Ries opens The Lean Startup by introducing the vital concept of validated learning, which he argues must be the fundamental activity and focus of a startup organization. Since startups typically face extreme uncertainty, they exist not just to make stuff or earn immediate profit, but to search for a repeatable, scalable, and profitable business model. In other words, startups exist and are designed to learn how to build sustainable businesses. But this learning must be validated scientifically through action and experiments that test hypotheses and assumptions about the product and business model. Running frequent experiments allows startups to empirically measure where they are right now, rather than speculate about the future. The results reveal factual insights about their progress and the value they are creating for real customers. Even failures and setbacks provide validated data that points the way forward. Part 2: Using the Build, Measure, Learn feedback loop to accelerate success. Ries explains that the core, cyclical activity powering progress and learning in the lean startup methodology is quickly turning ideas and hypotheses into actual products or services, measuring real market response and customer behavior, analyzing and learning from the data, and then rapidly iterating through this virtuous build, measure, learn feedback loop. Startups should launch minimum viable products as soon as possible to begin learning and testing assumptions, rather than waiting until they think the product is fully ready. Then, with each rapid build, measure, learn iteration, make incremental enhancements informed by customer insights, feedback, and usage metrics. Continuously refine the startup's engine of growth by running ongoing small experiments to improve and optimize based on the data. Part 3: Innovation Accounting to Assess True Progress. Since startups typically lack predictable cash flows in their early stages, Ries argues they require a new kind of management specifically geared to the high uncertainty environment of a startup. He advocates measuring startup progress with innovation accounting, actionable metrics, and indicators of whether you are gaining validated learnings about your business model and value creation process. The Lean Startup methodology provides tools for running effective innovation accounting such as cohorts, split testing, actionable metrics, pivot or persevere decisions, and 5 whys root cause analysis of bad news or results that differ from your hypothesis. These allow optimizing the key drivers of the company's growth by evaluating the effectiveness and impact of efforts. Continuous innovation accounting stops you from pursuing bad ideas too long. Part 4: Get out of the building to validate product market fit. A major pitfall Ries points out is that too many startups simply build products or features customers won't buy because they never validated their target market actually wants or will pay for their solution. This wastes resources and can sink the startup. He advocates an approach called customer development to first engage in conversations with potential users to validate you are solving a real pain point customers will actually pay to fix. Do not scale up marketing and operations until the product market fit is empirically proven and you have mapped out a repeatable and profitable sales roadmap. Premature, unchecked scaling before product market fit squanders effort, multiplies losses, and often puts the startup on a suicidal path. But the build, measure, learn process guides you to the right product iteratively if you pay attention. Part 5: Focus on growth after finding product market fit. Once product market fit is conclusively achieved and a solid acquisition/conversion strategy is validated, Ries says the startup should shift focus to accelerating growth and scaling up sustainably. This requires rigorously optimizing the key drivers of the company's viral growth loop, the viral coefficient, cycle time, and learning speed. Rapidly run many small tests and experiments to improve and optimize these key variables through the continuous build, measure, learn feedback cycle. Move fast, reduce waste, and use actual customer behavior data, not gut feelings, to inform priorities and make strategic decisions on staffing, marketing budgets, product features, pricing, and where to double down. Let your actual engine of growth determine how resources get allocated. The Lean Startup Method provides an invaluable playbook for aspiring entrepreneurs. I hope this detailed summary gave you a helpful understanding of how to apply Eric Ries' innovative principles to build companies that satisfy customers and scale with agility. Now get out there, unleash your inner entrepreneur, and use validated learning cycles to create truly disruptive products.